Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the MOVA Mobius 60 dock and station maintenance. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, up at the very top, we have our dirty and clean water tanks. These are very simple and straightforward, but basically for the dirty water tank, you'll want to rinse this out periodically. So go ahead, make sure you're doing that. Stay up to date to prevent any odor from building up. And for the clean water tank, not much to do here. You can rinse this one out every once in a while as you see fit, but you want to make sure you're cleaning the dirty water tank very regularly. And then inside the station with the tanks removed, just make sure everything up top is free from clogs and obstructions. And down below, in this corner down here, it might be hard to see on camera, but you will have a drain hole, so make sure that that drain hole is not clogged either, and you can wipe down in there as needed. Moving further down, this is where the magic happens. Press this button up top, the gold button, to open up the door to reveal the inside here. We have a lot of goodies to go over. First, you'll notice our mop pads stored on the side of the door right there. So if you ever want to clean or replace these mop pads, they just pop right off. These peel off, right? So it's just Velcro, keeping them on. So you can throw these in the washing machine if you want to give them a deeper clean than what they get at the station. And then obviously discard them after they're worn out or too dirty for your preferences. And then you can just peel and stick new pads on. But that's what you're going to do with the door right there on the side. That's going to be your pad management section. Now looking at our overhead camera, at the center inside the station with the door open here, right? We have these two arrows. So you grab that and just pull that out. And that's going to reveal the vacuum bag. So when it's full, you can replace it. And in here, you can use compressed air or wipe it down if needed. And you can investigate for any clogs or debris in the vacuum channel there for the self-empty. And you take the new bag and put it right back in, very easy. And then on this side, it's our cleaning solution tank. There's not much to do here besides refill it as needed. And it's clearly labeled A and B for you. So the A in blue, that's going to be your multi-surface floor cleaner. And then the B is going to be your specialized floor cleaner. That could be your pet odor solution, wood floor care solution. You get the idea, but A and B clearly marked and labeled for you there. And that just slots right back in there. Nothing else up at the top here. I guess you can just investigate to make sure it's free from any obstructions, no debris building up. Just gently wipe down. Again, a can of compressed air will be your best friend to clean a lot of this. And then for the cover, it just lines back up. We got a couple of tabs up at the top, so start there and then just snap it back in place. And then further down here, might be a little bit harder to see, but we have our self-empty channel here, so make sure that's free from clogs and obstructions, charging contacts, water inlet there. So you can just make sure that that's free from any clogs. You can wipe down the sensor here. And for the station itself, there's a portion of the tray that just pops right out. That's very easy to clean and remove. And you can wipe down everything else if you notice any sort of debris building, but it all should collect right here. So you can easily discard it, rinse this off, and then it just snaps right back in place. But that should be it for the station maintenance. Everything's very simple and straightforward.